好，我们先进入下一个部门，这个部门是主要是生产激光复印机的部门。
Okay, so now we will go to see the project department. This department is mainly for copier toners.
Hello. 这个是我们项目的负责人技工啊，他的真的是管理工作。
Okay, this is the manager for the project department, Mr. G. So Mr. G will show us for the whole department. Okay, thank you, Mr. Chen. Thank you. Now we are doing the orders for the customers for our Asta brand, toner powders. And now they are making the cutting. You can see our top box. So now we go to see inside.
啊，我们这里面这里厂抓的，是很经常的，而是很品质的这里厂的市场。
This is the newest machine for Conica Minolta. You can see that they are all the original Copier toners. You can see this model. The newest V300i. Oh, this toner can print 30,000. TN328. The toner model is TN328. So this is the office for the project department.
好，我们去。就是我们328的最新机。
Okay. This is the newest toner powder for TN328. The machine we just saw. This is the toner for that machine, TN328.
这个是现在在开发一款那个他们的最新款的 TNT26。
Oh, okay. This is the newest developing product for the Conica Minolta.
Yes.
Yeah, Conica Minolta is the newest.
TNT26。
We are testing now.
好，看我们的这个寿命测试，测试寿命。
Now you see, this is the store for placing all kinds of copier machines. Now we are testing this Copier black copier. Oh, for color. We're doing the cycling testing, so we can see the performance about the toner powder.
5233。
Okay. So let us see this machine for recon. Yes, you see the machine is working now. It's for SEC 2503. We all purchased the original machine and also with the original toner powder, Copier toner powder, to test the quality, so that our engineer can have the complete design for the formula.
我们看看，这是我们的一些测试设备啊，这个的话比较做的
Yes. This is all our original copier machine. You can see that there for Copier, Conica Minolta, Recon, Canon, Saros. We have a big for these kinds of machines, we just want to make sure our quality is the best in this toner field. So let's see the cabinet.
好，我们再去看看我们的这整个的话，铝罐基本上我们都可以做。现在铝罐的话，本土基本上就是上面都是彩色，下面都是 black 黑色的。
So this is all the samples for the copier toners. As you see, this is for recon. This is all for the colors. And see, we can look down. This is all for the black toners.
这个是我们会采购佳能的，佳能工价很。
This is for the Canons. You can see the drum and also the copier toner. It's a big model for Canon. Okay, this is for the Toshiba.
这边呢是金子最新的那小整骨，金子的这个
This downside is for Copier. You can see that this is the small cartridge for Copier, the newest, the latest models for Copier, TK5220, the color models. These are all the samples. This is the bottle for containing our. Yes, it's an Asta bottle.
这是1公斤装的，100克装的，放到50克装的。这个是250，这个150克的。
They have the several volumes for the bottles. It's for 1 kilogram or 500 grams, 150 grams. Okay, so it's finished. Okay, this is the department for project department. Most we do is for copier toners. So thanks for your showing us. Thanks, Mr. Lee. Thank you. So later we'll go to see the production line. Later I will take you to our production department. This way.